Tinalakay ng mga mambabatas ang iba't ibang panukalang batas na naglalayong pangalagaan at bigyang prioridad ang water resources lalo na sa mga highly urbanized areas. Isa na rito ang substitute bill para sa House Bills 194, 247, 589, 679 at iba pang mga panukala na may titulong An Act Establishing the National Framework for Water Resources Management and Creating the Department of Water Resources and the Water Regulatory Commission. Binigyang diin ng mga mambabatas na kasalukuyang nagkakaroon ng kalituhan sa mga ahensya pagdating sa pagsasaayos ng mga issue sa water supply dahil wala umanong iisang lead agency na namumuno sa sektor. Ayon kay Aklan 1st District Representative Jesus Jess Marquez, ito ang nagdudulot ng fragmentation at overlapping mandates sa mga ahensya.
Today, the Philippine water sector operates without a lead agency. There is no unified direction, no financing coordination, no single oversight mechanism to ensure policy coherence from ridge to reef. The absence of an apex institution has led to fragmentation, overlaps in mandates, inconsistent enforcement, and conflicts among agencies.
Binigyang diin din ni Marquez ang malubhang water insecurity sa Metro Manila na minsan sobra ang tubig at sanhi ng pagbaha at minsan naman kulang na kulang ang supply.
It creates order where there is fragmentation, clarity where there is confusion, and accountability where there is none. By establishing the Department of Water Resources and the Water Regulatory Commission, this bill delivers a modern, integrated, science-based governance framework capable of addressing climate threats, population growth, urban expansion, and national development needs.
Suportado naman ng Metropolitan Water Works and Sewerage System at Department of Public Works and Highways ang naturang panukala. Inaprubahan naman ng komite ang mga revenue provisions sa ilalim ng panukalang National Water Resources Management Act. Samantala, umaasa naman ang mga mambabatas na maipapasa ang naturang substitute bill na siyang lumusot na noong 19th Congress sa huli at ikatlong pagbasa. Para sa totoong balita sa Bagong Pilipinas, Jap Regala, Congress News.